In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Outlook email connected so that messages can be tracked and managed right inside Zoho, which makes follow-ups and customer communication much easier to handle. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM website by typing in the standard Zoho CRM address. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're on the main Zoho CRM dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and the right workspace, especially if you handle multiple organizations. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button for Zoho CRM. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can control most of your configuration options, including email integrations. It's a good idea to remember this area because anytime you need to adjust something related to your setup, you'll usually come back here. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, find and click on the email option. Depending on your layout, it might appear under a section like channels or communication, but it will clearly say email. Clicking this will open the email configuration area where you'll be able to connect your external mailbox to Zoho CRM. On the email configuration screen, you should see an option to get started with setting up your email integration, especially if you haven't connected any mailboxes yet. Click the button or link that says Get Started. This begins the guided setup process, which will walk you through connecting your email provider to Zoho CRM. If you already have something configured, you might see an option to add a new mailbox. In that case, use that to proceed. Once you're in the email setup flow, you'll be presented with different email providers to choose from. Here, select Outlook as your provider. This tells Zoho that you want to integrate a Microsoft Outlook email account, whether that's a personal Outlook account or one that's part of a business subscription like Microsoft 365. Click on Outlook to continue. Next, Zoho will ask you to choose the protocol to configure. This may sound technical, but it's basically the method Zoho uses to communicate with your Outlook mailbox. Typically, you'll see options like IMAP or possibly a direct Outlook or Microsoft 365 connection. If you're not sure which protocol to use, your organization's IT team or whoever manages your email can tell you what's supported for your account. Choosing the correct protocol is important for reliable syncing of your emails. After you've selected the appropriate protocol, look for the Configure button and click it. This step will usually open a window or redirect you to sign in to your Outlook account or to confirm access permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, granting Zoho the necessary permissions to read and send emails on your behalf through Outlook. When the configuration completes, Zoho CRM will confirm that your mailbox is connected. At this point, your Microsoft Outlook account is integrated with Zoho CRM. From here, you can start using email features within Zoho, such as sending emails directly from contact records and tracking conversations with your leads and customers. That's all you need to do to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zoho CRM.